Yo, what's going on, everybody? Before we get into today's video, I wanted to talk to you guys about the sponsor of today's video, which is no other than Rejuvenator. Now Rejuvenator has a lot of options for you guys to go over and use to be able to clean your sneakers or prevent them from being dirty. I actually just got back in town from Cleveland, and I'm not gonna cap, I got a pair of sneakers that I will be doing a full tutorial on getting clean because I absolutely demolished these shoes while I was out there, and I wasn't able to pack any Rejuvenator with me, so it's gonna take a full cleaning session. So make sure your notification bell is on to see that whole video. In this box they sent me over is the signature cleaning kit, and this is the one I tell you a lot of guys about because the thing is, it basically comes with everything that you may need to get a cleaning session in. Everything from brushes, everything from the actual sneaker cleaning solution to the brush set, it's all in this box. And Rejuvenator will be linked down below for you guys to head over there and check out. But like I said, man, this is probably the best bundle that you can get, or the best bang for your buck, because it pretty much offers just about everything you need for a great cleaning in this package. And they do have other things over there as far as like the display cases that I showed you guys before, or the ones behind me. They even have some stuff that prevents your shoes from being dirty. But I want you guys to head over to yourself, see what works for you, see what you like, and yeah, man, let me know if you enjoy it down below. Now, as I did tell you, I do have a link directly under this video that helps you out, and it also helps me out in the long run as well. So make sure you use that link down below if you purchase anything on the website. And if you purchase anything on the website, then shoot it over to me or after buying it, and then I'll shout you out on Instagram or Twitter, or whichever one you send it to me. Thank you guys so much, man. Now let's get into the video. Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and we are finally back at the crib, man. I've been gone for like a week, 7 days. Feel like the longest 7 days ever. I'm happy that I'm back in the studio because I'm back in my vibe. You know what I'm saying? I'm back in my zen. I have no idea how hard it is to make videos when you're not actually in your comfort zone. Now don't get me wrong, I've been doing YouTube for a while now, so I'm actually kind of comfortable everywhere. But I still feel like when you're back at the crib, you know what I'm saying, when you usually do it at, it's just a whole nother energy. A lot of stuff we're gonna be unboxing, and a lot of dope unboxings, and a lot of great videos coming very soon. I can't wait to do a certain few that's been in my bag for a while now, so I'm actually excited about that. This package in particular was a part of something that was super crazy. I don't know how many NBA fans I got. If y'all know me, y'all know I love basketball. I even have a basketball channel that I play basketball, react to basketball content. That's linked down below if you guys want to check it out. However, I am a huge basketball junkie, and Damian Lillard has been shaking the world. Well, at least he was shaking the world when he was doing a bubble play-in. Of course, like the Lakers is like wiping the floor with Portland at this point, up by 30 in the third quarter. Dame then fractured his finger, now his knee messed up. I mean, okay, the hype has kind of slowed down on Dame, but still though, he basically showed the world in this bubble that like he's here. And with all that noise going on, something very big happened. Here we have the box of today's unboxing, guys. This box right here comes from, comment down below, let me know if you know. But I kind of gave y'all like a nice little heads up, or a guess, at least a tip for sure. But I definitely gave y'all a tip. In my collection, ever, I thought about getting a pair of these a while back, but I'm happy now I waited to get my hands on a pair of these because, I mean, perfect timing. You know what I'm saying? It's perfect timing. Here we have the box, and I know a lot of you guys probably don't see boxes like this because y'all are used to me buying Jordans and Yeezys and Off-White, but this here, as you can see on the back, Dame 6. So for my people who's been basically living under a rock for the last few months, man, Damian Lillard has been doing absolutely crazy in the bubble to the point where he's dropped vicious points like 61, and when he did that, what was so cool to me, that's the reason why we love Jordan, right? We love Jordan because we love that the storylines are connected to the sneakers and how it just goes one in one. Damian Lillard dropped 61, and Adidas did a great campaign for him, which is like honestly one of the best campaigns I can remember. They allowed all of Damian Lillard's sneakers to be sold for $61 to commemorate the 61 points that he dropped in the playoff game the very next day. Now, to be completely honest with you guys, I was not able to get these for $61 because when the news had happened and when I found out about it, ironically, I was playing basketball myself. So I remember I went to my bag, I went to my phone, I checked it, I seen somebody tweet about it, and I went to adidas.com, or actually the Adidas app, and I seen it was true, and I was very surprised because it was very new. At that point in time, they still did have Dame 6s in stock, but none of them had my size. So obviously resellers, I mean, y'all going after Dame 6s, bro, like a Dame 6. But I guess $61 is $61. So we're sold out my size everywhere, but somewhere that people did not look, a place where nobody really went to check for was NBA.com. So I went over to NBA.com. I went up and looked at Dame 6s, and I actually got this shoe on me. Do I have the receipt in here, bro? It don't have the receipt in here. That would have been impressive. I paid $27 for this Dame 6. And y'all know I hoop, bro. So like I said, check out my second channel. And I hoop in Adidas. As of right now, I'm hooping in the Donovan Mitchell, the Don Issue 1s. I had a video that kind of went viral on my IG and on Twitter where I slipped in a pair of my Donovan Mitchells because my shoe came off, but that's a little bit different. Comment down below if you've seen that. It was kind of embarrassing, but I still shared it with y'all because, you know, I got to let y'all in. Regardless, Adidas to me, even though the look might not be the greatest, I still love the performance of it. I feel like Nike has a better, I feel like Nike shoes are better when it comes to how they look, but Adidas, I mean, I can't lie. I have not been, you know, upset with none of the performance from any of the Adidas sneakers. So let's get into this Dame 6, my first pair, man. See what they looking like. And here we have it. This pair is almost like a flip-flop. Okay, so I did get that Portland colorway, right? Black, red, and white. Portland colorway, Chicago colorway. And like I said, I got these for only $27, and that's shipped. So I'm still super happy and super excited to have my first pair of Dame 6s. These are in my size 12, which was so hard to get on the Adidas.com app. But like I said, a lot of people did not go over and look on NBA.com, because NBA.com, they was going for the low too, and I had a few like merch codes over on NBA. So you kind of get like this half and half. This shoe is red, this one is black, the inside is white, and this inside is like, you see the inside is like white and red, this inside is white and black with the, you know, hey, look, it's completely mismatched. It's definitely representing the Portland Trail Blazers, and I was like, yo, this colorway is fire. Now, believe it or not, you know, even though this kind of matched with my outfit, believe it or not, this shoe wasn't even on Adidas.com. Now, Adidas.com had a lot of Dame 6s and they had a lot of colorways, but this wasn't even on the site. So I kind of feel good that I got a pair. I wouldn't say these are limited because I don't really know and I don't really follow the Dame 6s like that, so I don't want to cap on here. But I will say this was a pair that wasn't even on the app. So for my people who did take advantage of these being $61, you wouldn't have got a chance to buy these because they were not available. Now, he did have some colorways that I was very interested in, like the McDonald's colorway I thought was pretty cool. He also did something with Star Wars I thought was pretty cool. Also, James Harden did something with Star Wars as well. That's another Adidas shoe that I've been thinking about getting and playing in. So, I mean, Adidas is definitely doing a thing when it comes down to like creating sneakers that actually are good and performing. Now, if you guys want to see me do a performance review or a performance test on this shoe, I wouldn't mind doing it at all. I have done performance shoes before. I've done like the Kawhi Omnis ones. I know you guys kind of gravitated towards that a little bit, but like I said, all in all, man, I'm super excited to have my first pair of Dame 6s in the collection. Another cool thing about this shoe is the outer soles are mismatched as well. See, this one is white and black. This one is white and red. It's a complete swap on the whole shoe. This is nice, man. I'm rocking with these. And you know what? Basketball sneakers are not like shoes to me, because like the shoes that I have behind me, sometimes I'll wait before I throw them on. I still got like Bread 11s over here, Space Jams that I still never wore, that I bought on release date. When it comes to basketball sneakers, I just be so excited to put these on foot. I never really keep them on ice. I just be ready to wear them all the time. And a lot of time those long, narrow shoes can be very tight. So I went true to size on this one just because I didn't want it to be uncomfortable tight. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to be kind of snug fit, but I didn't want them to be uncomfortable at the end of the day. So guys, let me know if you took advantage. Were you lucky enough to get your pair of Damian Lillards for the $61? Or were you able to get them for another price like me? Like I said, I paid $27 for an Adidas basketball shoe. And in my opinion, I mean, Damian Lillard is one of the best players in the league. And I guess I'll be back to tell y'all if he has one of the best pair of sneakers in the league, because I will definitely be hooping in these very, very soon. Make sure you guys leave your thoughts and comments down below. Like I said, I have a lot more unboxings that will be coming your way, and plus a lot of other content that I'm gonna mix up in there here and now. But like I said, there's a lot of boxes over there that I plan on, you know, just showing you guys a little bit later. Till next time, man, it is your boy Sniper Jones. And you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but hoopily putting in that work though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.